In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create voice chat on Steam. First, open the Steam client at the top left. Click Steam, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, head to the Voice section. This is your control center for audio. Start by selecting your input device, which is your microphone, and your output device, which is your headset or speakers. If you use a headset, pick that for both input and output to reduce echo and keep your audio clean. Now test your microphone. You'll see a level meter that moves when you speak. Talk at a normal volume and watch the bar. If it barely moves, bring the mic a bit closer to your mouth or speak up slightly. If it pegs at the top, back away a little to prevent distortion. Many setups also give you a recording volume slider right here. Use it to dial in a comfortable level so your voice is clear without clipping. A quick tip: keep the mic off to the side of your mouth rather than directly in front to reduce breath noise. Next, choose your transmission style. You have three options: open microphone, push to talk, or push to mute. Open microphone keeps your mic live whenever you are speaking above a threshold, which is convenient for casual chats in a quiet room. Push to talk gives you full control. Your voice only goes through when you hold a specific key. This is ideal if you have background noise or want to avoid broadcasting every sound. Push to mute is the opposite. Your mic is on by default, and you hold the key to temporarily mute yourself. Pick the mode that fits your environment and play style. If you select push to talk, assign a hotkey you can press quickly without interfering with gameplay. Something near your movement keys or on your mouse works well. Test it now to build the habit before you jump into a call. You are ready to start chatting. Look at the bottom right of Steam and open your friends and chat list. Find the friend you want to talk to. Right-click their name and choose Start Voice Chat. If you'd like more people in the conversation, invite additional friends to create a group chat. You can repeat the same steps for each person you want to include. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.